Until teleporting fact catches up with fiction, helicopters are the perfect vehicle. Nothing else can offer their combination of speed and transport direct to a destination. But helicopters do have some drawbacks. One is noise, a second is high cost per mile, and a third is more about perception. Many people think that they're intrinsically unsafe. The design brief for this Cabri G2 from French manufacturer Guimbal was to produce something safe and easy to fly. So does this new machine really elevate safety to new heights? There's only one way to find out.